Count on me, understanding a key English phrase. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we'll explore the phrase, count on me. This is a common English expression used in various situations. Understanding it can really enhance your conversational skills in English. Let's dive in and explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples. Count on me is a phrase that means to rely on someone, to trust that they will support, help, or do something for you. It's a way of reassuring someone that you are dependable. This phrase can be used in both formal and informal situations. Everyday conversations. In daily life, you might hear someone say, count on me, in scenarios like, offering help. Need help moving? You can count on me. Making a promise, I'll bring the snacks for the party, you can count on me. Professional settings. In work environments, this phrase can signify reliability and commitment. During a project, if you need these reports by tomorrow, count on me to do it. Assuring a client or colleague, for a smooth event, you can count on me to manage everything. While count on me is the most direct form, there are variations like counting on you, asking for someone's support, don't count on it, suggesting something is unlikely to happen, count me in, expressing your willingness to participate. Avoid confusing count on me with similar phrases like count me out, which means to exclude oneself. Context is key in understanding the correct usage. We hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, count on me, confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every phrase you master takes you one step closer to fluency. Happy learning, and you can count on us for more language tips.